Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expression, match single character with multiple possibilities. You learn how to match literal patterns and wildcard characters. Those are extremes of regular expressions where one finds exact matches and the other matches everything. There are options that are balanced between the two extremes. You can search for a literal pattern with some flexibility with character classes. Character classes allow you to define a group of characters you wish to match by placing them inside a square brackets. For example, you want to match bag, big, bug, but not bog. You can create the regex like this to do this. The AIU in the square bracket is the character class that will only match the character AIU. So here we have various variables with the a string, and we have the regular expression, and when we want to match the characters, we can use the regular expression to match the strings. And in this case, in the case when the content is not matched, it will return null. Let's see the task for this challenge. Use the character class with vowels A, E, I, O, U in your regex, vowel regex, to find all the vowels in a string code sample. Be sure to match both upper and lower case vowels. So, in this case, use a character class with vowels. First of all, we have to use vowel A, E, I, O, U, capital A, E, I, O, U, or will ignore case work here. Let's see IG. And vowel regex dot match I will use test. Be sure to match both. So we have to match. So first string code sample dot match vowel reg x and console.log result. EA only a small, so ignore case. Is this any different? Result dot length, let me check. 24 and with I 25 means it is checking for capital I here, so that's good. Now let's remove this and run the test. It will be successful, but yes, so let's download the solution, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.